Hello to everyone. We are going to have a program on selection sort. First of all, let's discuss what is selection sort. Selection sort is a sorting technique in which we select the element. We generally select an index of an element and we find the index of a element which is smallest or largest in the whole array. So suppose we take an example. First explain the algorithm. This is our array support 857,193. So first of all we will select an element 8. Now we will compare it with the adjacent element 57193 one by one, and we find the index of an element which is smallest. So 1 is the smallest number, so we find the index of this element and then we will swap this value with this original 1 8. So in the next step you can see 1 is swapped with 8. Now in the next pass I will be 1, so we will take this value 5 and compare it with 7893 and find the smallest value which is 3. Now we will swap this 5 and 3. 3 here, 5 here. Now we will take this 7 and see find the smallest value. 8955 is the smallest value. We will swap it with 7. Similarly, in this way we will sort this array. This sorting technique has an total comparison of n into n minus 1 by 2, which is the time complexity of this program. So it has n minus 1 passes. This is the total number of comparison. The total number of swaps are least in case of the selection sort as compared to the insertion sort and bubble sort. These are only n swaps in the worst case are possible in selection sort. Okay, so now we are going to write a program after knowing about the algorithm of the selection sort. Start with the hatch include a studio dot h int main selection sort, declare an static array, two counter variables ij and n for the size of an array. Ask the user for the array size, enter the size of an array, scanf user will enter the size, comma ampersand n. Now have a loop for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, accept the element scanf percent d percent ai. Now code for selection sort. Okay, so we have total of n minus 1 passes. So this loop is for the number of passes we have equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Now we select the position of an element. So position equal to I. Now for j equal to I plus 1, j is less than n minus 1, j plus plus. We just start from I plus 1 just because we have selected this element. Now we have to start checking from the next element. So it is I plus 1. Okay, use the condition if a position is less than is a. In that condition, position will be changed to j. Okay, now if this selected element is not equal to the position itself, at that case we have to swap it. If this will be the smallest element, in that case we are not required to swap it. So if position is not equal to I. In that condition, we have to swap temp equal to AI, AI equal a position, a position equal temp. So declare it here temp, comma, position return 0. Now we will print a sorted array printf sorted array x less than for I equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus printf percent d comma a I. Now we will run this program. No errors. So before that we have to make certain changes. We forget to enter space save, and also one more changes is required, that is j is equal to n minus 1. Now we will run it. 5 1 4 5 6 2 6 5 4 2 1. This is unsorted array. Thank you for watching.